Hello dear students, welcome back. Okay, let us continue the problems of exercise 1.4. Okay, so see the question number 9. Let star be the binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers as follows. Okay, so given us 6 sub question for the question number 9. First one, a star b equal to a minus b. Second one, a star b equal to a square plus b square. Third one, a star b equal to a plus a into b. Fourth one, a star b equal to a minus b whole square. Fifth one, a star b equal to ab by 4. Fifth one, a star b equal to ab whole square. Find which of the binary operations are commutative and associative. We have to find which of the above binary operations are commutative and associative, and we have to find the identity element. So one more question is just extend this identity, because they have mentioned in the question number 10, find the identity element for the binary operations of the question number 9. So I will do the identity also along with this only. Okay, so see the first one, solution. First one, a star b equal to the a minus b. Okay, so to check the commutativity on the set Q of rational number, let us consider two numbers. Let 2, 3 belongs to the set of rational numbers. They are rational numbers. Okay, 2 star 3 equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, 3 star 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 equal to the 1. Therefore 2 star 3 is equal to the minus 1. 3 star 2 equal to the 1. This is not equal 3 star 2. Therefore star is not commutative. This is not a commutative. Okay, next check the associativity. So second, associativity. Right, let consider any three numbers. 1, 2, 3 belongs to the set of rational numbers. Okay, 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to the, see, a star b means a minus b. 1 star 2 means 1 minus 2 star 3. This is equal to the 1 minus 2 is minus 1 star 3 is equal to the C minus 1 minus 3 is equal to the minus 4. Next is 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to the 1 star 2 star 3 is, that is 2 minus 3. Okay, 1 star minus 1. Okay, this is equal to the 1 minus of minus 1. This is equal to 2. So this is minus 4, this is 2. Therefore 1 star 2 star 3 is not equal to 1 star 2 star 3. Therefore star is not associative. Okay, right. Next is to find the identity element for this operation only. Okay, identity. So what is the definition of identity? That is a star e equal to e star a equal to the a for all a belongs to the Q. E is identity. E is identity. Right. Let us take the operation A star B equal to A minus E. A star B in the place A star E equal to A. Right. What is A star E equal to A? A star E means A star B compared to this A minus E equal to the A. Right. Cancel A on both sides. E equal to the 0. Right. So take one more. E star A. E star A equal to the A. Compared to this operation A star B, that is A minus B. E minus A is equal to the A. Right. Now E is equal to the 2A. This A come to the right side means it will become positive A. So E is equal to the 2A. Therefore identity is always unique. Identity is unique. We got here two identities. Therefore identity does not exist for star on Q. So why identity doesn't exist? Because so identity, if it exists, it is always unique. Therefore E is equal to 0, E equal to 2A. Okay, so these two are different. Therefore identity is unique always. So identity is not unique. Therefore identity doesn't exist for operation star on Q. Okay. Next, so I will solve the odd number questions in this. So you please do the even number as a homework. Okay, odd number. Next one is completed. I will go to the third one, that is A star B is equal to the A plus AB. Okay, so take any two numbers. Okay, let 2, 3 belongs to the Q. 2 star 3 equal to the 2 plus 2 into 3. So this is 6 plus 2, 8. Right. Next 3 star 2, I am checking commutativity. Okay, 3 star 2 means 3 plus 2 into 2. So the operation is A star B equal to A plus AB. A plus A into B. Okay. Next A star B, A plus A into B, it is 3 into 2. So see here 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. We got 9. Therefore 2 star 3 is not equal to 3 star 2. Therefore star is not binary, not commutative. Okay, let us check the associativity of this. Associative. Okay, consider any three numbers. Let 1, 2, 3 belongs to the Q. So you can consider any numbers. For the easier calculation, I am considering very simple numbers. You can consider any number from the set of rational number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 belongs to the Q. 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to the 1 star 2 means A plus A into B, that is 1 plus 1 into 2 star 3 is equal to the C. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 is equal to the 3 star 3. So this is equal to 3 plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, right? Now 1 star 2 star 3, this is equal to 1 star 2 star 3 is 2 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 8. So this is 1 star 8, okay, is equal to 1 plus 1 into 8, this is 9, okay. Therefore 1 star 2 star 3 equal to the 1 star 2 star 3 is not equal, because 12 is not equal to 9. Therefore star is not associative, right? So let us go to the identity. Okay, so what is the definition of identity? For all a star e equal to a is equal to e star a, right? So see here now, operation first, a star e is equal to a. What is a star b compared to a star b? A plus a into b. This is a plus a into b is a is equal to the a. Cancel a on both sides. So now e is equal to the 0. A is not equal to the 0. E is equal to the 0 because a into e is equal to 0 means any one among a or e should be equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 means e should be equal to the 0. Okay, right. Now one more is e star a equal to the a compared to the operation a star b. This operation is a plus ab. A is e. A plus ab is equal to the a. Take e common, 1 plus a equal to the a, right? So now e is equal to the a divided by 1 plus a. So a is not equal to the minus 1. So see here we got e equal to 0, e equal to a divided by 1 plus a. So identity is not a unique. Therefore identity doesn't exist. Does not exist. Okay. So I'll solve one more fifth one. Okay, in this only. See the fifth one, a star b equal to ab by 4. Fifth one, a star b equal to ab by 4, right? So let us check the commutativity. So instead of taking number we can check directly. Okay, for all AB belongs to the Q. Okay, a star b equal to the a star b equal to the AB by 4. Okay, and b star a equal to the BA by 4. So we can write it as AB by 4. AB by 4. Therefore a star b equal to the b star a. This implies the operation star is commutative on set of rational number Q, right? Next, associative. So let for all A, B and C belongs to the set of rational number A star B star C is equal to the, right? A star B means AB by 4 star C. Okay, this is equal to the A, this entire is A, this is a B. Okay, now we can write it as a AB by 4 into C whole divided by 4, because see, this is A, this is B, A into B divided by 4, okay, is equal to the ABC divided by 4. Okay, next A star B star, sorry, so change the brackets now. A star B star C is equal to the A star, this is BC divided by 4, BC by 4. Now A into BC by 4 whole divided by 4. Okay, this is equal to ABC divided by, this is 4 by 4 is 4 into 4 is 16, ABC by 16. This 4 also will come in the denominator, it will become 16. So therefore A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. This implies star is associative, star is associative operation. Next come to the identity. Okay, what is the definition of identity? A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Okay, for all A belongs to the Q, for all A belongs to the Q. Identity for all A belongs to Q, A star E equal to A, E star A equal to EA. Now A star E equal to A, apply the definition. A star B means AB by 4. So here now AE by 4 is equal to the A, cancel A on both sides, E is equal to the 4, E is equal to the 4. Okay, next, so E star EA equal to the EA, apply definition. EA by 4 equal to the A, cancel A on both sides, E is equal to the 4, E is equal to the 4. Therefore E equal to the 4 is the identity element, for star on Q, this is the identity element of this operation A star B equal to AB by 4 on the set of rational number Q. Identity element, if it exists, it is always unique, so we have to check in the both ways this one. Okay, we got 4 on the both solution. Okay, therefore E equal to 4 is the identity element for this operation. Okay, right. Okay, so please do the remaining those 3 questions, second one, fourth one and sixth one as a homework. Okay, I will continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.